Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
How can I help you, sir?
Yes, please, I want some black shoe.
Which type of shoe does you want?
I want slipper shoe.
Sir, what is size of your foot?
Maybe 3.
Wait, sir, I will bring you. Sir, try this.
Oh, this is so tight.
Sir, maybe I think your foot number is 4.
Maybe give me, I will try.
Wait, sir, I will bring you. Sir, try this.
Oh, this is comfortable. But this color is not nice.
Sir, okay, sir, we have white, brown, grey, ash. Which color do you want?
I want grey and ash.
Wait, sir, I will bring you. Sir, try this.
Oh, this is super. How much cost on?
Sir, only 1,000 rupees.
What? 1,000 rupees?
Yes, sir, only 1,000 rupees.
Give me 700 rupees.
No, sir, it will not come.
It will come, try please.
No, sir.
Recently I buy your shop only.
No, sir, it will not come. It is some brand and fancy shoe.
Try, please.
Okay, sir, you are my old customer. That's why I am giving at last 800.
Okay.
Sir, what will you like, cash or card?
Cash.
Sir, tell me once your name.
Karthik.
And sir, tell me number.
93
93
46
46
48
48
29.
29. Sir, here is your receipt.
Sure.
Sir, thanks.
Sure, bye.
Bye. We are telling you a story. Story name is The Lion and the Cows. Once upon a time, they lived 4 cows. Every day, they used to go for grazing together in particular spot. They were all friends. One day, the lion saw the cows when grazing. The lion wanted to eat them and went to catch them.
When the cows saw the lion, all of them fought with him. The lion had to run away. A few days passed and the cows fighted with each other, started grazing separately. One by one, the lion killed all of them. The moral of the story is unit of strength.
Unity is strength.